Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bucket4, and today we are going to see about availability. Availability means you're running your application or a system in at least two AZ. So why you need to run your application in two AZ? So basically if anything goes wrong in one AZ, so you can recover your data. Your data will be there in other AZ. So that's what. So after giving the two definition to statement about high availability, uh, basically it goes hand in hand with horizontal scaling. What is horizontal scaling? So you can see here in my previous video I have explained what is horizontal scaling. Let me copy this one. So this is what horizontal scaling means. You have t2 small which serves 100, uh, again t2 small instance which serves 100. So might be these two will be in one AZ, and might be this will be in another AZ, and this will be in another AZ. So kind of which is near to your end user will get the like high quick response, proximity kind of thing. If you're new to this channel, do subscribe to my channel, help me a lot. Okay, it motivates me to create a more videos. Okay, and if you're on LinkedIn, do follow me there. You can reach out to me, or else you can check out my portfolio as well. And yes, so let's get back to our topic. Okay, as of now we have seen the what is horizontal, vertical, what horizontal scaling, vertical scaling, what is high scalability, and that's what, it's a part of ELB and ASG. Okay, so what is the use of this in EC2 instance? Till now we are learning about EC2 instance. Okay, till now we have seen what is all these things: high availability, scalability, vertical, horizontal. What is the use of in EC2? How I'm going to use this terminology in our EC2 instance? Okay, so we are going to see. So first is vertical scaling. Okay, vertical scaling. In vertical scaling, what you need to do? Basically, we do scale up, and down. What scale up and down means? Just imagine your EC2 is running on T2 dot micro. Okay, now you need to scale up. Okay, so now you are running on T2 dot small. Okay, so that's what you are doing. From lower to higher you are going. Okay, okay, that's for scaling, vertical scaling. Okay, same for, if I mention here, horizontal scaling. Horizontal scaling. Okay, in horizontal scaling, what you do? You scale out. Okay, let me read out. Scale out and in. So what scale out and scale in the sense? Uh, as of now, you have only one instance. Okay, one instance, and then suddenly load increase. Then you are running four instance. So that's scale in. Okay, you are scaling up, and then again after some time, if four instance. Okay, from four instance you are making one instance. Okay, kind of scale out, scale in. Okay, and here from EC2 we use auto scaling auto scaling group, and we have load balancer. From the name suggests what it does. Okay, balancer, load balancer, auto scaling. We are going to see a demo as well. No worries about this. All we're going to demo as well. Okay, and same with high availability. Let me write it down here. What is high availability? Okay, so basically high availability means you are running your instance in multiple region. Okay, multiple AZ, so that user doesn't face any issue while uh, running your instance. Okay, so same here. We have a auto scaling group with the AZ, auto scaling, auto scaling group with AZ. Okay, and then we have a load balancer with AZ. So that's what the thing, why we have learned this all terminologies, where we are going to use it. So here you can see how we are going to use this all these things. Okay, so now I guess you got the idea behind this. Okay, what is vertical, horizontal, and all. So if you want the video on scalability, elasticity, and agility, I can make, or else we can go directly to ELB. Okay, Elastic Load Balancer. From the next video, we are going to learn about ELB. Stay tuned and watch other videos as well. If you're new to the channel, do subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.